The U.S. Senate has passed a $2 trillion stimulus plan. The vote came Wednesday, March 25th, with a unanimous vote to approve $2.2 trillion in a fiscal measure called the CARES Act, the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act. It was a unanimous vote, and it was the largest fiscal stimulus package in modern history. The purpose? To revive the economy and stave off a deep depression in light of the coronavirus pandemic. Now, the vote came just a few hours before a Department of Labor release that said unemployment claims have topped 3.3 million in the week ending March 21st, the most in U.S. history, and more unemployment claims are expected in the weeks ahead. So what's in the package? Well, it's stimulus, but it's also being called emergency relief to individuals, businesses, and hospitals impacted by the coronavirus. It includes direct payments to households. There's an income threshold, $1,200 more or less to households up to $75,000, phasing out as you get a little bit higher income, with additional stipends for each child. And expanded unemployment benefits, both enhanced payment and time, but also including new types of workers for the first time in unemployment, like freelance workers. It also includes federally guaranteed loans to small businesses, a government lending program, $100 billion to hospitals on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic, and $200 billion to other domestic priorities. And it includes senior assistance, childcare assistance, and a couple other priorities. What's next? Well, the House will take up the bill on Friday, March 27th. They're expected to conduct a voice vote since the House members are already in their home districts. If it passes, Trump is expected to sign it quite quickly. The Senate will then say they'll recess until April 20th unless urgent legislative action is needed in the meantime. We link to the bill in the description below. We also share with you that Department of Labor press release that shares those unemployment statistics.